Hey, grade 7 students. So I'm going to have you for the first week of our time off do some more TinkerCAD practice since we just did a little bit with designing wheels. We're going to design another object. And so if you remember, hopefully, how to sign into TinkerCAD, which you should, but if you don't, there's on the 7th grade page, there's some steps to follow to do that, but most people will probably remember how to sign into TinkerCAD. And since we did use it this year, there are some refresher videos. Just again, we didn't use it much, so there's some refresher videos here, and then also a link to the grade 5 refresher videos. Just if you need to do any basic skills, you can check that link out. So once you sign into TinkerCAD, the best way to get to the project that I'm asking you to do, which I'll put an example of here as well, is a little sort of passive amplifier speaker. And so if you click on this, the TinkerCAD project page, should open it up. And you're going to look for this one that's called a sort of passive amplifier. And you probably have to scroll down if it's not readily available. So I'm sort of scrolling down through. Keep going. I think it's more towards the bottom. There it is. A mobile amplifier. That's what it's called. Okay. So you're going to open up this link here, the mobile amplifier. And this is like a little passive amplifier that you can like slide a device into, like an iPhone or any type of smartphone. And allows it amplifies the sound out of it, which is kind of fun. Hopefully we'll be able to print these as well. But it's a great project to kind of design and build. People who want to print them, we can get those done. So the best way to do it is do it here. You're going to scroll down. I'm going to click restart project. Do you want to reset? Yes, reset your project. So mine's just resetting it. There we go. So you're going to click on this first one, making the amplifier body. And you're basically just going to work your way through these lessons. There's a lot of room for modification and making it your own within this tutorial. So you want to make sure the way the tutorial works is sort of, there's stuff on the sidebar here. It hasn't loaded yet. It's just about to. Sort of tells you what to do. Where I'm moving the mouse. Should be over there in a moment. There we go. So there's the explanation is right here. They give you some picture of sort of what you want to go for, and then you move through the steps this way. So 2 of 7, 3 of 7, 4 of 7, and so forth. The instructions are down here, and so forth. And then when you're ready to the next step, you sort of go on to the next step, 7 of 7, and then continue to the next lesson. So it's going to bring you right to the next one. So you're going to work your way through that one. And then there's some different you can share this with me the way we have before, putting in the drive, but another way to share it with, I'm going to sort of put on another way to share things that a little easier. You don't have to do multiple steps to get into the drive or anything like that. It's right off the web page. And that'll be a second screencast on how to share your designs with me. And I'll be putting a model of a design of one that I did up on the site for you to see, get some ideas from maybe, or just to think about. So good luck with the with this. Just building some more TinkerCAD skills, and hope you're staying well and be creative and have fun with it. See ya.